Have you ever run into a situation where your Python code just doesn't seem to work as expected? It's frustrating, right? If you're using Python with multiprocessing and your jobs aren't completing, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to troubleshoot this issue together. I completely understand how annoying it is when your code runs but doesn't produce the expected results. You're not alone in this. Many developers face similar challenges when working with multiprocessing. Let's dive into the specific question at hand. One user mentioned that they are using Python 2.7 with multiprocessing and noticed that sometimes files are not created as expected when using the apply async function. Sound familiar? Let's explore this together. So, what could be going wrong here? When using multiprocessing, especially with apply async, there are a few common pitfalls that can lead to incomplete jobs. We'll break down the code and identify potential issues. And stick around. I have a crucial tip at the end that can help you avoid these issues in the future. To address the issue with the multiprocessing not completing jobs, the user should first ensure that the arguments passed to the apply async function are correctly formatted. Specifically, they should use a tuple for the args parameter. Next, the user should check if the output file function is properly handling file operations. It's important to ensure that the file is being closed correctly after writing. After making these changes, the user should verify that the pool is being closed and joined correctly. This ensures that all processes complete before checking for file creation. Finally, the user should test the updated code to confirm that all files are created as expected. They can do this by checking the existence of each file after the multiprocessing tasks are complete. Fun fact, did you know that multiprocessing in Python can sometimes feel like trying to herd cats? Each process is independent, and keeping track of them can be tricky. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. This user suggests that to ensure all exceptions are caught in your multiprocessing jobs, you should handle exceptions within the subprocesses. They recommend using a try except block to catch exceptions and print the traceback. They also introduce a print lock to prevent output from being interleaved when printing error messages. This ensures that the output remains clear and organized. That's all for that response. Let's see what someone else had to say. An alternative solution suggests checking the contents of your person dict. The user modified the original code and found it worked correctly. They used a context manager to open files, ensuring proper handling. Their code iterates over a simplified person dict and applies the output function asynchronously. Here's the tip I promised. Always check your argument passing and ensure you're joining your processes. This will save you a lot of headaches down the line. And there you have it. With these adjustments, your multiprocessing jobs should complete successfully. Remember, debugging is part of the process. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks.